Here it is, the car is taken apart, and you can see how the car actually looks like when it's completely flattened out with all the panels kind of hanging out and none of them are really overlapping. Obviously it is now larger than the footprint of the car once, car doesn't go flat like that unless it's a cartoon and you flatten the car by stepping on it, although you can kind of do that with this. So here it is. This is what the car looks like from the outside with all the panels off. You see all the mechanisms and stuff. And over here you can see all like the panel seams, whatnot, all the access to all the internal bits. Is more of the same on this side. It's basically the mirror because, you know, it's different. So the fuel fill neck is over here. I am taping my lights in. You guessed it. I'm gonna drive this. I'm gonna be stupid and I'm gonna drive it somewhere. Sorry, it's a little bit noisy because they're doing some road work over there. But as I said before, I want to weigh all my panels to know what everything weighs. Because, you know, I'm curious. Some of the panels are bigger than my scale. Some. All of my panels are bigger than my scale. So I'm putting this piece of plywood on top. You see that? This piece of plywood is 15 pounds, 11 ounces or so. I'm gonna zero this. There we go. I'm just gonna put the panels one at a time on top. I popped the light out. We are at 1.9 kilos. Door panel weighs 2.65 kilos with the rubber stuff. Side sill is 2.35-ish kilos. Let's do the driver's side quarter panel with the shroud. 1.98 kilos. Passenger side with the fuel door, 2.26 kilos. Rear window shroud. And there we go, it's 2.9 kilos with the rubber trim. The rear center trim is 1.41 kilos. The rear bumper is 2.32 kilos. The front hood is kind of heavy. It's 6.3 kilos with the black stuff in the back, the grill and whatnot. All right, here's a front Cara bumper with the lights removed. It is 2.44 kilos. Now we have the rear trunk. It's about 6.5 kilos. And the wing is 2.96 kilos. Now the final thing, how much does this roof trim weigh without this and some epoxy? 268 grams. It may not seem like much because they were just plastic panels, but they do add up. So we got to about 90 pounds. That is a significant amount of weight that was removed from the car because I've been driving it around since, it's been naked. So I've been driving it around. I know the car is faster. How much faster? I don't know, but about 90 pounds faster. There are a few more things I wanted to get the weight of while they were out. This is the side marker light. There are two of them. This one is 18 grams. I also wanted to weigh the side marker light. This one has the bulb in it. That is 172 grams. There are two of these. I also wanted to weigh the Cara headlight assembly. Try to get all of it up here, I guess. I don't know, that's probably good enough. 420 grams. Let's weigh some of this hardware. It's probably insignificant, but the 10 acorn nuts from the door panel is 24 grams. That's 24 grams, so times 2 because there are 20 of these. There are 74 of these guys, if I counted correctly. This is the rubber washer, and this is the bolt. Or 10 grams, 10 times 74, so 740 grams if you have all of them on the car. Obviously, there's more miscellaneous stuff that I didn't weigh, like this stuff, but whatever, I think I'm done. Those don't weigh much. I got a majority of the stuff. Some of the screw type hardware, I don't know how to count it. I don't want to count it. Just throw a few more grams in there if you really want to know. Take a look at what I just got in the mail. I got a thing from Japan. And it's got that little AZ-1 with the gull-wing doors. Yeah. Let's open it up. This is the Autozam AZ-1 branded telephone card. I think it was like a promotional item or something. I don't know. This is supposed to have 5,000 yen on it. I don't know if it's still good. I just wanted it as like a collectible. This is the card that was shown at the end of the new car information 92 episode with the Autozam AZ-1 that I posted the other day, maybe a couple weeks ago now. That was shown at the end of that show. And I also saw this card at like the back of one of these AZ-1 magazines right here. So when I saw this, I was like, hey, I want one of those, and now I have one of those. So when I saw that one existed, I was like, oh, that's cool. I would like to have one at some point. So thank you for getting it for me. And this will be right here with all my other AZ-1 goodies. Okay, last time I tried to do this, I almost died, and I almost ruined all my stuff. So what did I actually learn from that? Try not to die, or don't die, and be more careful, and don't die. Okay, here's the hood. I can already tell this is a lot lighter than the OEM hood. Now we also want to know how much does this weigh. This is just the fiberglass one you could just buy on Yahoo Auctions. This is 4.14 kilo. Now we know the reproduction Mazdaspeed fiberglass hood that you can buy on Yahoo Auctions. There's always one listed there, at least one. We now know that weighs about a third lighter than the stock OEM hood. The OEM one was 6.3 kilos, about 13, almost 14 pounds. And then the other one, the Mazdaspeed one is 4 kilos, 4.14, and about 9 pounds. So about a third lighter, 30-something%. So this is it for today, guys. Please give me a like to help me with the algorithm, because this is a lot of work doing this weird documentation stuff. If you find it helpful, you know, of course, help me out here, please. It doesn't cost anything. But you can smash that subscribe button for more K-Car content, specifically AZ-1 stuff for right now, at least until my other stuff show up. And leave a comment if you have some ideas for more other things you want me to try to get into documenting here. And I wish you guys a happy new year, and I'll see you guys next time.